Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, if you are a plantita or a plantito, you're gonna love this video because we received Béton planters DIY air plant kits. And this is gonna be a partnership video, so more than a review, it's an introduction and a feature of their products. To know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Alright, so up front guys, you're gonna receive their products or item on these very minimalist packages, no? This is how it looks like. Ayan. Ayan, so if you notice guys, ganito yung mga packages natin. I believe it has like two variations for the size, no? One is actually thicker than the other. Ayan, so I guess it depends kung ano yung nasa loob ng box talaga. So I'm gonna open this one, yung DIY plant kit nila by Béton planters. What's inside the kit? Ayan, so basahin natin. You have the Béton planter, you have soil, fertilizer, we have some lava rocks inside here, squeeze bottle, a spoon, and care guide. So everything you need or anything else that you need is gonna be inside here para mas ma-enjoy mo kung ano yung nasa loob ng box. Okay, so let me open it. Okay, inside it meron tayong, it's like an FYI what's inside and then may explanation din. And it has a thank you card from Béton. So meron tayong some soil, wooden spoon, sprayer. Here is the plant. Oh, this is so cute. Oh man, look at that. This is so cute. Of course, meron tayong paso, some rocks, fertilizer. Give me some time guys, we're gonna put this all together and when we come back, you're gonna enjoy it. According to our orientation, they do have two types of products. First one is the DIY plant kit, and then the other one is called air plant kit. It's so easy to assemble actually, no? So first, fill the planter. We fill them with soil, and then leave some space at the top for the plant. Pagkatapos nun, lagyan lang natin ng konting fertilizer, and then put the plant on top, and then lastly fill it with the lava rocks. Now for the air plant, so yung mga air plant kit, it's so easy. It's very easy. And then that's it. You don't need to water it immediately, and then actually hindi naman itong wina-water talaga according to our orientation. So they just mist the air, and then the water will absorb the moisture, not necessarily yung pinaka-root na nila, yung leaves ng plant natin ang nag-absorb ng moisture. That makes it air plant. Alright, so some frequently asked questions for Béton planters, no? So do you ship outside Pampanga? Yes, they do. What is your lead time for the shipment? So basically, normally it's 1 to 2 weeks, depende po sa quantity ng ino-order ninyo. So, do they do meetups? Yes, they do sa SM Pampanga and Vista Mall, depende sa both parties' schedule. Now, another question na talagang I got really curious is how long can the plant last inside the box? So, for example, you bought it and then you are planning it to give away, or for example naman, you bought it at this certain day and then isi-ship nila, for example, you are in outside Pampanga, anywhere in Pampanga. So, how long does the plant last dun sa inside box natin? So, surprisingly, they can last up until 2 to 3 weeks. Whoa! Every box natin has different kinds of plants. So, I thought earlier, pare-pareho lang sila. Pero hindi pala, no? So, like for example, this one, if you're familiar with... So, disclaimer, pardon me if mali ko po nabasa yung natin. But for this air plant, it's Ionantha rubra. Meron pa tayong dito, this is an air plant as well, no? Tillandsia bulbosa. So, yeah, mukha nga siyang onion bulb, yung pinaka-base ng plant natin. For sure, dun sa mga nagre-research na rin dun sa mga plantita natin, tsaka mga plantito, are almost familiar dun sa mga mukha ng mga plants natin dito. Now, for our mga DIY plant kit, these are zebra cactus. These are really interesting. Yung mga box po natin can be customized. You can put in your name, some customers or some clients request to put a message directly dun sa print natin. Some also request some Spotify link so that habang kumbaga ino-open nung receiver natin yung gift natin, yung mga DIY gift natin, they can listen to some dedicated songs as well. So you can dedicate your message, your Spotify link, and any other customizations you can actually transact with Béton. So there you have it, guys. If you're interested to know more about this, make sure to check out their fan page. It's gonna be flashing on your screens. For me, this is my first time to really engage sa mga plants na katulad nito. No? I enjoyed the time. Lalo na I did it with my wife. Of course, that's bonding na rin, diba? So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're Paga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to tag your friends na Plantita and Plantito. Stay safe and have a great day. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Peace out. Bye, guys.